AI navigation systems. Beginner level. Introduction. AI navigation systems use artificial intelligence to help people and vehicles find the best route from one place to another. Navigation systems are used daily in cars, smartphones, delivery services, public transportation, ride-sharing apps. AI makes navigation systems smart, dynamic, and real-time, unlike traditional maps. Examples include Google Maps route suggestions, real-time traffic updates, voice-guided navigation, delivery route optimization. This topic helps beginners understand how AI improves route planning and travel efficiency. It also teaches concepts such as pathfinding, optimization, real-time data processing, prediction systems, decision-making algorithms. What is an AI navigation system? An AI navigation system is a system that uses data and AI to determine the best route to a destination. In simple words, AI navigation equals a smart system that tells you the fastest and safest way to go somewhere. A beginner system may include route selection, traffic analysis, distance calculation, time estimation, rerouting. Why AI navigation systems are important. Without AI, navigation systems would use fixed routes, ignore traffic conditions, provide inaccurate travel times. AI improves navigation by avoiding traffic, reducing travel time, saving fuel, providing real-time updates, suggesting alternate routes. Basic features of AI navigation systems. Feature purpose. Route optimization. Find shortest or fastest path. Traffic prediction. Predict congestion. Real-time updates. Adjust routes dynamically. ETA calculation. Estimate arrival time. Voice guidance. Assist drivers during travel. AI systems use data like navigation data equals distance 10, traffic level high, weather, rain, road type, highway. Simple route selection example routes equals Route A, 25, Route B, 18, Route C, 30. Best route equals min routes key routes.get. Print best route, best route. This shows how AI selects the fastest route. How AI navigation systems work. Step 1. Collect data. AI gathers data from GPS, traffic sensors, maps, user devices, historical traffic data. Example, traffic equals heavy, distance equals 12. Step 2, analyze conditions. AI evaluates traffic, weather, and road conditions. Example, if traffic equals heavy, print, avoid this route. Step 3, find best route. AI compares multiple routes. Example, routes equals A20, B15. Best equals min routes, key routes.get. Step 4, provide real-time updates. AI updates routes dynamically. Example, accident equals true. If accident, print, rerouting to alternative path. AI in traffic prediction. AI predicts traffic based on patterns. Example, time equals 6 p.m. If time is equal to 6 p.m., print, rush hour, expect delays. AI in ETA, estimated time of arrival. AI calculates travel time. Distance equals 10, speed equals 50. ETA equals distance divided by speed. Print, ETA, hours. AI in rerouting. AI changes routes in real time. Blocked road equals true. If blocked road, print finding new route. AI in delivery optimization. AI helps delivery systems find efficient routes. Deliveries equals 50, routes equals 5. Print, deliveries per route, delivery/routes. Full menu-based navigation system, Python. Def find best route. A is int input, route A time. B is int input, route B time. C is int input, route C time. Routes are A, B, B, C. Best is min routes, key routes get. Def, traffic check. Traffic equals input, traffic level, low, medium, high. If traffic equals high, print, avoid this route. Else, print, route is fine. Def, ETA calculation. Distance is float input, enter distance. Speed is float input, enter speed. ETA equals distance over speed. Print estimated time, hours. Def. Reroute. Issue equals input. Road blocked? Yes, no? If issue equals yes, print, rerouting. Else, continue on current route. While true, print. N1, find best route. Print. 2, check traffic. Print. 3, calculate ETA. Print. 4, reroute. Print. 5, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, find best route. Elif choice equals 2, traffic check. Elif choice equals 3, ETA calculation. Elif choice equals 4, reroute. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print, invalid option. This topic helps beginners learn route optimization, real-time data processing, decision-making systems, prediction models, pathfinding basics. Real-life analogy. AI navigation systems are like a smart guide who knows all roads, understands traffic, predicts delays, suggests better routes, updates directions in real time. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding Map API integration, Google Maps, real-time traffic data, machine learning models, GPS tracking, voice navigation, multi-stop route optimization, visualization on maps. Common mistakes beginners make. Using static routes, ignoring real-time updates, not considering traffic conditions, not simplifying route logic too much, not forgetting edge cases. Where AI navigation systems are used. AI navigation is used in cars and GPS devices, smartphones, ride-sharing apps, delivery services, logistics companies, public transport systems. Advanced systems include predictive traffic models, multi-route optimization, autonomous vehicle navigation. Simple definition: AI navigation systems. Systems that use artificial intelligence to find the best route and guide users in real time. Final summary. AI navigation systems are essential in modern transportation. They help beginners understand smart routing, traffic prediction, real-time updates, optimization techniques. They are widely used in everyday applications and are a key part of smart mobility.